Hi friends, good morning. Let's start today as
Question 19. Find the vector of magnitude 3 under root 2 which lies in zx plane and is at right angle to the vector 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Let finding vector is a vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap and given vector is b vector. So we can write b vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Finding vector A is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This vector, it means a vector, lies in zx plane. A vector lies in zx plane. So y is equal to 0. So a vector is equal to xi cap plus 0 j cap plus zk cap. It means a vector is equal to xi cap plus zk cap, which lies in zx plane and is at right angle to the vector, so it means b vector. It means a vector is perpendicular to b vector. We have it a vector perpendicular to b vector, then a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. Here also they say here a vector is perpendicular to b vector. It means a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. According to this formula, a vector perpendicular to b vector, then a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. A vector is equal to xi cap plus z k cap dot b vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to 0. Imply that x dot 2, it means 2x plus, here j cap is not present, so it will be term as a 0. Next term k cap dot k cap, here z and also here 2, it means 2z is equal to 0. Imply that 2x is equal to minus 2z. So x is equal to minus z. Here also given, find the vector of magnitude 3 under root 2. It means magnitude of a vector is equal to 3 under root 2. We have written magnitude of any vector is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. It means here we can write under root x square plus, here y is not present, so 0 square. Next term is z, so we can write here z square is equal to 3 under root 2. under root x square plus 0 square plus z square. Under root x square plus z square. You will understand what happened this here? Imply that x square plus z square is equal to under root goes on right side, then it becomes as a square term, so we can write here 18. A square of 3 under root 2 is equal to 3 under root 2 to the power 2. 3 under root 2 multiply 3 under root 2 is equal to 18. Imply that here the value of x is equal to minus z. We put the value of x is equal to minus z. It means minus z to the power 2 plus z square is equal to 18. Z square plus z square is equal to 18. Imply that 2z square is equal to 18. Z square is equal to 9. So z is equal to plus minus 3. Here you can write since x is equal to minus z. So x is equal to minus z is equal to minus plus minus 3. It means minus plus minus 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 plus 3. So a vector is equal to xi cap plus z k cap. Put the value of x and also z. Minus plus 3 I cap, the value of z is equal to plus minus 3. Plus minus 3 k cap. This is our answer, and also it may be written as minus plus into 3i cap minus 3k cap. This is also answer. 3i minus 3k. Question. This is our 31. Find mode of a vector minus b vector if two vectors a vector and b vector are such that mode of a vector is equal to 2, mode of vector is equal to 3, and a vector dot b vector is equal to 4. For solving such question, we think how can we solve this question. First of all, we can write here as a mode of a vector minus b vector to the power 2. Such question we solve as, we write as form mode of a vector minus b vector to the power 2. Also given vector, any vector. We take as a square form. We can write here is equal to a vector minus b vector to the power 2, because we know that a vector to the power 2 is equal to a vector to the power 2. Mode of a vector to the power 2 is equal to a vector to the power 2. So we can write here so is equal to so. Next, we know also that A vector dot A vector so is equal to so we can write here A vector minus B vector dot A vector minus B vector. A vector dot A vector plus minus minus A vector dot B vector. We find dot with B vector, minus plus minus B vector dot A vector, minus minus plus B vector dot B vector. Is equal to A vector dot A vector. A vector dot A vector is equal to magnitude of A to the power 2, magnitude of A to the power 2. We can also read mode of A vector to the power 2 minus A vector dot B vector minus A vector dot B vector, because we know that A vector dot B vector is equal to B vector dot A vector plus mode of B vector to the power 2. According to this formula, B vector dot B vector is equal to mode of B vector to the power 2 is equal to mode of A square, mode of A vector to the power 2 minus 2A vector dot B vector plus mode of B vector to the power 2. Put the value of mode of A 2, A square minus 2 multiply. Here given A vector dot B vector is equal to 4 plus put the value of mode of B vector, here given is 3 square, 4 minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 5. So mode of A vector minus B vector is equal to under root 5. This is our answer. Next questions. Prove by vector method that in any triangle ABC, number 1, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. For solving such question, first of all, we draw a triangle ABC with magnitude CAB. Such question, we think here what is angle? Here given angle is A. Here A. First of all, by triangle law, we know that CB vector is equal to CA vector plus AB vector. We can write CB vector dot CB vector is equal to CA vector plus AB vector dot CA vector plus AB vector imply that magnitude of CB vector to the power 2, because we have read A vector dot A vector is equal to magnitude of A vector to the power 2. So CB vector dot CB vector is equal to CB vector to the power 2. Here find dot product CA vector dot CA vector plus CA vector dot AB vector. Now find dot product with AB vector and CA vector plus AB vector. AB vector dot CA vector plus AB vector dot AB vector imply that CB vector mod of C vector to the power 2 is equal to, you can also write here on the basis of C vector dot C vector is equal to mod of C vector to the power 2. Here we can write mod of C vector to the power 2. Both are same because we know that A vector dot B vector is equal to B vector dot A vector. It means CA vector dot AB vector is equal to AB vector dot CA vector. It means both are same. We can write here 2 times of CA vector dot AB vector plus AB vector dot A vector on the basis of C vector dot E vector is equal to mod of C vector to the power 2. Here we can write mod of AB vector to the power 2 imply that mod of C vector is equal to A to the power 2 is equal to mod of CA vector is equal to B to the power 2 plus 2 CA vector dot AB vector. We know that A vector dot B vector is equal to mod of A vector mod of B vector cos theta. Here we can write CA vector dot AB vector is equal to mod of CA vector mod of AB vector cos theta, but here angle is not correct because for finding angle we know that both points, it means initial points are same or terminal points are same, must be present in this given figure, but here one point is initial, one point is terminal point, so angle is not correct here. Then we make as a both are initial points. It means we know that both initial points are here, then this angle is correct for both vectors. And also we see in this figure here both are terminal points, so this angle is correct for given vector both. Here given vector, one is initial point and other is terminal point. If it is drawn down, then we get here angle correct, because both are initial point. Here angle A, here angle 180 degree minus A. So we can write here cos 180 degree minus A. Here we can write mode of CA vector, mode of AB vector, cos 180 degree minus A, plus mode of AB vector, mode of AB vector is equal to C to the power 2. Imply that A square is equal to B square. We know that cos 180 degree minus A, cos 180 degree minus A is equal to minus cos A. You have know also pi minus A is equal to minus cos A, because pi is equal to 180 degree. Both are same. Plus minus 2 mode of CA vector, mode of CA vector is equal to B. Mode of A vector, mode of AB vector is equal to C. Cos A plus C square. Imply that minus 2BC cos A then we can write as 2BC cos A is equal to B square plus C square plus A square. It means right side minus A square. So cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Proved. Stay safe, stay home.